Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can change the site colors in Google Sites. So let's start. There is only one way how you can do it, is when you go on the settings, you see the color here that you can change the header. This is the first thing that you can do, make it transparent. And the second way is when you're gonna click on theme, and you're gonna see this your theme that you already chose. Right, what you can do is choose from these colors, and then on the end of the color, just click on it, and you can simply change the colors of your site. So that's pretty much how you do it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide some guidance and stuff like that. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.